I invite everybody to join me and see the divinity that I'm capturing. I pay attention to detail. Try to keep an open mind, to trust your inner knowing. We're so powerful. Once you believe, that's what you're going to create. Honor each other. The divine design. We're more sovereign than we realize because it's always been there, but we're just becoming aware of it. And our awareness is what's allowing us to take back our control. That divine process, we're being Christed, growing closer and closer, and it's dancing in the sky. It's dancing in the sky. So again, that's why it's all necessary. That's how your consciousness is raising. Tap into your higher self, follow your intuition. Pieces of our higher self are just being integrated. Duality is ending, two things meeting to make a whole, as above, so below. But the veils are definitely getting thinner and thinner. As light workers, we're all trying to wake people up. We know that things are about to change. That's why this is a collective thing that has to happen when everybody's ready. That's raising the consciousness to break free of the programming in the matrix. Keep raising our vibration to where it needs to be. When you stop fighting it is when you can start healing. Trust the process and trust the journey. And I invite anybody that really needs help to reach out to me.
I want to hear what you're saying about the new earth.